Hello, welcome to my channel Naukri Law, and this is Devashish Kumar. So in this video I am going to show you that how will you use Fresco Play in your mobile phone. So let's start this video. So at first you have to open any browser in your phone. I have used Chrome browser, and in the link you write play.fresco.me. I will give the link of this website in the video description also, so don't worry about this. Go to this website. Maybe this website will ask you about the login details, and you have to log in it using the Ultimatics. Okay, so after login you have to scroll down to this page. At the bottom you will find the two options, that is the Android and iOS. I have an iPhone, so I will choose iOS. If you have an Android phone, you will choose Android. So after Android, you will choose the Android. The APK file will be downloaded. So you have to install that APK file. I am going to install using the iOS option. So after installing, the apps of Fresco Play will be installed. And after installation, when you will open the apps, I have already installed that app. So when you open the apps for the first time, it will ask you to log in using the Ultimatics. So click on the Ultimatics. You know the further process. How will you log in using the Ultimatics? I have given my username and I am going to enter my auth code. I have hide these things because this is very confidential process. Okay, so the login is done. You can see that the interface of Fresco Play is here. You can start any courses and you can do any courses from your phone very conveniently. You can also explore, suppose for the first time, the AI, Avatar, Pandora. I can also resume and I can do the courses from my phone. You can see that the Fresco Play is working very smoothly on my phone. So this is very convenient for anyone to study from phone rather than on laptop. So if this video helped you a bit also, then please like this video, share this video with your friends, share this video to help them, and comment if you have any queries, and please subscribe to my channel. As you know that 1000 subscriber is the target for me in this channel, so please complete my target. I would request you to subscribe this channel to watch these type of videos in future, and also press that bell icon to get the update immediately when I upload any videos in this channel. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye. See you in next video. Bye.